Now I am going to discuss about the title Indian economy. India is a mixed economy, both private sector and public sector. Indian economy is developing economy. Indian economy depends upon the agriculture, the backbone of Indian economy. India is a second popular country in the world after China. It is an essential for the economic development. India faced by the various problems. The main problem, unemployment. Unemployment refers to a situation in which the workers who are capable of working and willing to work do not get employment. Unemployment increase, automatically poverty increase. Poverty can be understood simplified as a lack of money, or more broadly in terms of barriers to everyday the human life. The India faced by the types of unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Indian agriculture depends on monsoon. Hence, people in agriculture are employed for only 5 to 6 months. For example, paddy cultivation, sugar cultivation, cotton cultivation, and etc. Another one is fractional unemployment. In dynamic and growing economy, old industries changes and new industry come up. For example, traditional society followed by the old technology, and the modern economy changed by the new technology. Another one is technological unemployment. The use of new machinery, changes in technology, introduction of labor saving production methods. The various methods, the new idea, new method, and high level of productivity, the increase in production, but the labor is surplus and employment opportunity is very, very low. The structural unemployment. This is one which arises owing to structural changes in the economy of the country. The another one is cyclical unemployment. The trade cycles affect the level of economic activity. In depression, the volume of employment decreases and people become unemployed. The disguised unemployment. Such unemployment is more in agriculture. Educated unemployment. The educational facilities have increased employment opportunity, not increase. The illiteracy is reduced, literacy rate is rises, but unemployment is rises. The another one is underemployment. A person is working in a job less than his ability or education. It is a case of underemployment. Another one is voluntary unemployment. A situation where a person does not want to work due to low wages bad employment environment. The another one is involuntary unemployment. The involuntary unemployment is a situation when a person is prepared to work and he takes a effort to work under existing employment, the environment and obtainable wages. A satisfied life is better than successful. But because our nation success is measured by others' country, hence Indian economy, our satisfaction is measured by our own mind and heart.